With the end of the rainy season comes the autumn. And the autumn means Durga Puja. The Durga Puja is celebrated all over the world, not just by the Bengalis, but by all over the Indians. Very happy that Durga Puja is in a way celebrated by ICET Kolkata in the form of the very special publication which we call Puja Varsiki, and I am very happy to see that there are articles in both in Bengali and English in this special edition on the occasion of the Puja. Even before the Puja comes, we start our preparations. There is a mood, there is a temper, there are shoppings, and the Puja Varsiki or this particular Puja edition is one of those very important preparations. This year I am very happy that our students have taken great inspiration, have taken great enthusiasm to come and publish this particular special edition. With the help of all the faculty, all the staff who are contributing, and in fact there are contributors from outside ICET Kolkata, so that makes me even better. There are different types of course, contributions. Some would write poetry, some would write stories, some would write essays, but all that really enriches our cultural landscape. And I think we have a tradition of being culturally enriched during this Durga Puja. Durga Puja, in a way, is a magnum opus. It's a celebration which cuts across the country, cuts across Indians outside India. In fact, for all those who live in Bengal, even within India, all those who live within Bengal and those who live outside Bengal, Puja has at times different meanings. Because the celebration of Durga Puja in West Bengal is somewhat different from the way Durga Puja is celebrated in other parts of the country. The cultural parts are somewhat different. The way it is celebrated outside the country of outside India, London, Toronto, in the US, all over the world. However, there is one unifying theme. It binds people. It has this flavor of coming together, celebrating the victory of the good over the evil. And that part is common everywhere. There are many cultural functions which are organized during Durga Puja. People exchange greetings as we come to Dasera. And in all this, there is a happiness. And that is the most important part of Durga Puja. It has certainly religious aspects to many. To many, it is simply a social and cultural. To most, it is festival. And especially being in Kolkata, being in Bengal, we take special pride that we celebrate Durga Puja. So I am very happy that the ICET community is doing it with great enthusiasm. I not only welcome these efforts of the students, but also wholeheartedly support them in this publication of the Puja Varsiki. And I hope this effort will continue in years to come. And I hope they will get more and more contributions. And I appeal to the ICET Kolkata community to contribute to their efforts. I appeal to all those even outside ICET Kolkata who have been our great supporters, who have been our stakeholders, to contribute to these efforts. I wish them great success. I am sure this publication will be a big hit and certainly will bring the community together. Thank you very much.